Hey guys, I'm Randy. I'm Cheryl's husband. We're out here today to repair our greenhouse. We had a storm roll through here the other night and it did some damage. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to prop up the damage, and then I'm going to not really replace the brackets, but I'm just going to support them for right now until I can do something later. So I'm going to let Cheryl show you the damage while I get started on working on my brace.
Alright, so this is the old canopy that we used before, and this is what happened to our greenhouse now. It collapsed and it broke the bracket. My lettuce are damaged. That's why I've been sad for a few days, guys, so I didn't post any video. But life has to go on, so Randy has to fix it today. Okay, yeah, that's how it looks like right now. And yeah, everything is messy because of that storm. And this is how it looks like outside the greenhouse. So not really a big damage, but it takes some work, but we have to do it. So he's cutting a lumber, and the girls on the pool. But yeah, it does a little bit of damage, but we have to finish it before the rain come again this afternoon.
That's braced. Damn, I wanted to drill a hole in it. So this is not going to be a permanent fix, but it'll be a fix all the same. Really tight. Oh, good to tell you. Yeah.
You okay, Aisha?
Yeah. Hi! Super fine. I'm just getting really wet.
Yeah, we have to use that one, guys, because the other one is there, flat. It has holes on it. Look at the storm did to our yard now. It is so messy.
I'm in the no
And we didn't have time to clean up yet because we were working. So today, after we went to grocery store, so now we're doing this greenhouse again.
Yeah, just gotta let them know this is not a permanent fix. That when you're working with metal, there's not a lot I can do. I don't have the equipment for it.
Yeah.
So I just have to try to brace all this up where you can still work in here, and we just gotta put your new roof on.
Yeah, plus on winter time, we can't plant anything, I think.
Yeah. Well, when we get over to the Philippines, I'm gonna build you a wooden one anyway, or the structured one.
Yeah, that's the first thing we're gonna do when we move there, Dada.
That's why we're doing the hydroponic thing. Envelope there.
Yeah, I supposed to transfer this lettuce, guys, in the tub, but I can't do it after this greenhouse will be fixed. Kaya hintay-hintay muna.
But this is braced, so it's not going anywhere.
But it's not though. It's moving.
Well, we don't have a way to stop it. This board is not down.
Mm.
You have to hammer it in there.
Should use the drill, Dada.
Yeah. Drill's working it very
Yeah, it's not moving now. Like a while ago.
Yeah, toe nail them in.
Pretend they were done painting a horse. Kendra, no. You haven't even picked the name for your character yet. Yeah, how about Lydia? Okay. And mine will be Liz. Hey, Dad! Mine will be Liz. And mine will be Elizabeth, but you call me Liz, Liz, Elvis. Let's slip and slide again. Is it slippery now? No, not really. What if I just get on me softly? Please, I want to. Okay, sit on me softly. Forward or backward? Paddle! 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 Isn't that fun? Backward! 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 Paddle! Paddle! Backward! Ew! Ew! What? That's so gross. You're sucking on my legs now. Wait! Wait! Mommy, can I have that for me? No! What's that? I don't know. Bug? I think it's a bug. Ew! It's not. Or it's an ivy. Like poison ivy. Aisha! Aisha! Come on! Aisha, we have to go to the rock at the beginning, which is over there, and go into the pool. Except we have to do it fast because it's rushing. Come on, Aisha, we have to get our slippers on. Aisha, stay with the jiggly wiggly team.
So this is how Randy fix it. We just put some rocks in here, inside, small rocks, and tie it and connect it to the ground. And it's fixed right now. And all I have to do is to do the one inside, clean up, put all the lettuce back to the tub, and replant some whatever left in there. So that's all, guys. So we put every corner, 4 corners with the string, and 2 more on the front, and we put plants in there so the kids will not trip over. Alam nyo na, mga bata, takbo ng takbo, lalo na yan si Kendra, hindi marunong, hindi yan naglalakad, takbo lang yan ng takbo. Ito pala, ano siya, fan, sobrang init, as in. So, yung asawa ko nasa loob na, kasi ano daw, sobrang init na. And kids needs to go inside now para pwede na silang mag-lunch. Thank you, guys. Say bye-bye. Paalam po. Please subscribe.